well, it's not really an unboxing video, but it's basically an unboxing video. And I've been waiting on this package for, at this point, it's damn near close to a month. And the only reason for that is because I actually got this during Black Friday, which was like November 27th. Like I said, I'll give y'all a screenshot like towards the end of the video or something like that. And it took a while, but now I actually understand why, because I did went on their Instagram and I checked and see, and I'm like, okay, that makes a lot more sense now. So without further ado, we're just gonna go ahead and get into it. As y'all can see, my ninja just sitting there. Yes, I'll flex in a little bit, but the only reason I have them out is because these will go well with this hoodie. So we're about to go ahead and get into it. I'm not actually gonna open it this way because my address is on the front right here. So I actually do throw something inside, so it might be like a kind of like a card. Yeah, the colors almost match, but not really. But okay, let's see. Okay, so this is like my receipt and everything. I hope I didn't show it, but yeah, it's my receipt and everything. Showing me like what I bought and stuff. And this is actually pretty dope. Oh shit. I don't know if I should show it, but I'm about to show it, but look at this. This is pretty dope. Got a really nice anime chick going over her titties all hard as fuck. I don't know what anime chick is this, but I don't know, she kind of reminds me from that anime 009, I believe. That's kind of what she reminds me of, but I got it from this clothing brand called Cerberus Studios or Cerberus USA, whichever one you want to call them. And then on the back it does says, thanks for ordering. Their Instagram and Twitter is on there. I'll leave it in the link in the description. I'm gonna just leave it right there. And I think that's about it, so go ahead and open this up. Did I have anything else in here? Nope, nothing else. Alright, so here it is. The hoodie is should kind of look a bit small in this package, but it is pretty dope. Actually, let me see. I think I can make it white. I could have gotten the tan one instead, but I'm like, you know what? I'm just going to get an olive color, because like it kind of does have like olive colors. Like I don't know if you can tell. Like when I open it, we'll see. So yeah, so we better go ahead and open this up. And so pretty much the only reason it took so long is not only because y'all know what's going on with USPS and like the shipping and everything. It's crazy. Like I said, I'm gonna talk a little bit about that towards the end. But another thing to it that like they made this in hand. Like basically they don't have like a mass produced version of these. They're basically like handmade, so it makes a lot more sense. And here it is. I forgot the name of the hoodie. I almost dropped my box, my Yeezys. But here it is, the Cerberus hoodie. The joint is really fire. Go ahead and give that a closer look on these. So there it is, Cerberus USA. Very dope. And then of course the back, which is my favorite. Kind of wish it was in the front, but this is what the back looks like. Hopefully I can see that. That just smells really good too, but this is the back of the shirt. It looks very dope and very clean. Actually, you can't really tell if it's like a Cerberus design. Like it's like a Cerberus dog or something like that, but you can't really tell. But I mean, yeah, it's pretty clean, but it still looks good nonetheless. Of course, I am gonna try it on in a minute. And basically, like I said, I got this on Black Friday. Usually the retail price for this was like $56, but like with Black Friday, it cost like $40. It was free shipping, so I pretty much paid on $40 for this, which is I'm glad I had this. It's really dope. Like I said, it will look good with my Yeezys. I just gotta like get some some tan or khaki pants with these, or some like gray sweatsuit. Not sweatsuit, like sweatpants to match with this. Like, even though the color don't necessarily match, but I definitely do think it looks good overall, and I definitely do think it's dope. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and try it on. I'm gonna let you guys know with a snap of my fingers. So 3, 2, 1. Alright, y'all. So I'm not gonna lie, this feels very, very comfortable. I don't know what type of material it is. Probably like polyester or something like that. I'm not sure, but this fits true to size. I'm not gonna lie. It's very comfortable, very soft. It's true to size, and I actually really fuck with it. So honestly, me personally, even though kind of almost a month waiting for this, honestly, I think it's worth it. Cause again, like instead of having it like mass produced, they just make it in hand. So it kind of makes a lot of sense, and they've been doing a lot of things that they've done. But overall, like I said, I think this is a really dope hoodie. This has some really nice color on it, I'm not gonna lie. And again, it's gonna go well with my Yeezys. Like I said, I just need like some gray sweatpants, or even like some tan sweatpants at that to like match the color of these Yeezys. But I mean, other than that, this is a really dope hoodie. So it's very clean. Now, of course, I'm gonna go ahead and go on a little rant. Not with this brand in particular, but and definitely not with USPS, because I know they're working a bit hard trying to get everybody's packages on time, sort of. But the rant is basically not because they're not getting our packages. It's the simple fact that every time they assume we're gonna get our packages on that day, they end up changing it. So as you guys know, I did purchase a pair of sneakers on eBay, and it should have been here. What day was it? Tuesday. It was supposed to come Tuesday, didn't come. Then Wednesday didn't come. It kept on saying like it's in transit, arriving late, and everybody's packages that they were supposed to receive or supposed to be getting, it's being said the same thing, and everything with USPS is all fucked up at this point, and it just sucks. It really sucks, but you know, it is what it is. Hopefully, like I do hope my package come at very like maybe next week, and if not, probably the following week. Like I said, back to this again. This is very, very comfortable, very, very clean. Again, I purchased it on Black Friday, November 27th. I didn't get like a tracking number or anything like that. I didn't. Up until like, what was it, last week? No, what's today? Saturday. I got the tracking on Wednesday, November 16th, and then it basically just came today. So I'm actually glad. I'm happy to have it, and I actually kind of want to rock this tomorrow as one of my Yeezys, but with how the snow is, I'm not gonna do that. I'm really not trying to mess these up. Like, look how clean these Yeezys are. But I don't want to mess these up, so I can wear this at another time when there's really no snow. And of course with this, like I said, I'm trying to get like some gray sweatpants as well, or like I said, some khaki pants or whatever to go with basically the whole fit. And overall, me personally, this is dope. Is it worth the wait for like almost a month? No, but I mean, again, though, like they do make it, like they make it handmade instead of like having mass produced of it. But I mean, hey, it is what it is. Like I said, I think it's very comfortable, very cozy. It's definitely true to size, and I really fuck with it. So yeah, that's about it. And again, I hope USPS brings my sneakers, and I really hope they don't get damaged, because, you know, I know everybody is frustrated with USPS right now, but you gotta give them a chance. Like, they don't got that much workers in there because of COVID, and y'all, when they're Trump, basically it's Trump's fault, because y'all know he's bitching at the fact that he lost the election. But it is what it is. I'm not gonna try to drag this video on for so long. So again, like I said before, at the end of the day, this is a dope hoodie. I fuck with it. I definitely do think I should go over to their Instagram. Follow them on Instagram. Go on their website and cop yourself a hoodie. Of course, it's not Black Friday one day no more, but I definitely do think you should cop yourself a hoodie. But if you do, again, they do use USPS, so it's definitely gonna take you a better time until you actually get yours. Me personally, my personal opinion, I definitely do think you guys should hold up on ordering stuff online until USPS gets everything situated. Because again, if you do, you're gonna be waiting a while for your package. But either way, thank you guys for watching. Be sure to like, comment, and share the video for all my videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I will really appreciate it. Don't forget to follow me on Twitter and Instagram. She's got up there on the live stream, pop videos and stuff like that. Let me know what you guys think of this hoodie. You guys think it matches with the Yeezys? I definitely do think. I mean, a little bit, but I definitely do think it matches a little bit with it, in my personal opinion. And also, definitely stay tuned for that vlog tomorrow. I will be vlogging at the mall tomorrow because I am going to be copping something for my mom for Christmas. I want to give myself a little bit of that, just a little bit. I'm trying to vlog as much as possible for like next year, but we'll see. I'm not that great at vlogging, but I'm going to keep on trying to the best of my ability. So thank you guys for watching.